Join me as I dive into the impact of Thyssenkrupp's decision to cut 1,800 jobs and see if I can uncover the real reasons behind the struggles in the automotive industry. Hi, I'm Leslie Walker. Welcome to Q's Fleet News, the place where you get your fleet news in 7 minutes. Thyssenkrupp, a German multinational conglomerate, has recently made headlines by announcing a massive job cut of 1,800 positions. This drastic measure is a direct response to the struggles the company is facing in the automotive sector. The news has sent shockwaves throughout the industry, leaving many wondering what led to this decision and what it means for the future of Thyssenkrupp and the automotive industry as a whole. The job cuts are a clear indication that Thyssenkrupp is facing significant challenges in the automotive sector. As a major supplier of automotive parts, the company has been heavily impacted by the decline in global car sales and the shift towards electric vehicles. With many car manufacturers scaling back production, Thyssenkrupp has been left with no choice but to reduce its workforce to stay afloat. This news is particularly concerning given Thyssenkrupp's significant presence in the automotive industry. As one of the largest suppliers of automotive parts, the company has been a major player in the sector for decades. The fact that they are being forced to make such drastic cuts is a clear indication of the severity of the challenges facing the industry. Thyssenkrupp's role in the automotive industry is multifaceted. The company supplies a wide range of parts, from engine components to steering systems. They also provide engineering services and develop innovative solutions for the automotive sector. With such a broad presence in the industry, it's clear that the company's struggles are a reflection of the broader challenges facing the sector. Thyssenkrupp has a long history of innovation and excellence in the automotive industry. Founded in 1811, the company has been at the forefront of industrial development for over 2 centuries. Their commitment to innovation and quality has earned them a reputation as one of the most trusted suppliers in the industry. However, despite their rich history, the company is not immune to the economic challenges facing the sector. The economic challenges facing Thyssenkrupp are complex and multifaceted. The decline in global car sales has been exacerbated by the shift towards electric vehicles. Many car manufacturers are struggling to adapt to this new reality, and Thyssenkrupp is no exception. The company has been working to develop new technologies and solutions to meet the changing needs of the industry, but it's clear that they are facing significant headwinds. According to official statements from Thyssenkrupp, the job cuts are a necessary measure to ensure the company's long-term viability. The company has stated that the cuts are aimed at reducing costs and improving efficiency. They have also emphasized their commitment to supporting affected employees and providing them with the necessary resources to transition to new roles. The job cuts will be implemented across several of Thyssenkrupp's business units, including their automotive components division. The company has stated that the cuts will be made in a socially responsible manner, with affected employees receiving support and guidance throughout the process. Thyssenkrupp's decision to cut 1,800 jobs is a clear indication of the severity of the challenges facing the automotive industry. The company's struggles are a reflection of the broader economic challenges facing the sector. With many car manufacturers scaling back production and suppliers like Thyssenkrupp feeling the pinch, it's clear that the industry is in a state of flux. The impact of these job cuts will be felt far beyond Thyssenkrupp's walls. The automotive industry is a significant contributor to the global economy, and any disruption to the supply chain can have far-reaching consequences. The job cuts will not only affect Thyssenkrupp employees, but also have a ripple effect throughout the industry. Thyssenkrupp's decision to cut 1,800 jobs is a wake-up call for the automotive industry. It's a clear indication that the sector is facing significant challenges and that drastic measures are needed to address them. The company's struggles are a reflection of the broader economic challenges facing the industry, and it's clear that the road ahead will be fraught with difficulty. As the automotive industry continues to evolve, it's clear that companies like Thyssenkrupp will need to adapt to survive. The shift towards electric vehicles and the decline in global car sales are just a few of the challenges facing the sector. Thyssenkrupp's decision to cut 1,800 jobs is a clear indication of the severity of these challenges and the need for drastic action. In a statement, a Thyssenkrupp executive said, "We understand the impact that these job cuts will have on our employees and the wider community. We are committed to supporting those affected and ensuring that they receive the necessary resources to transition to new roles." Industry experts have also weighed in on the news, with one expert stating, Thyssenkrupp's decision to cut 1,800 jobs is a clear indication of the severity of the challenges facing the automotive industry. It's a wake-up call for the sector and a reminder that drastic measures are needed to address the economic challenges facing the industry. The significance of Thyssenkrupp's decision to cut 1,800 jobs cannot be overstated. It's a clear indication of the severity of the challenges facing the automotive industry and the need for drastic action. The job cuts will have far-reaching consequences, not just for Thyssenkrupp employees, but also for the wider industry. In conclusion, Thyssenkrupp's decision to cut 1,800 jobs is a stark reminder of the challenges facing the automotive industry. The company's struggles are a reflection of the broader economic challenges facing the sector, and it's clear that drastic measures are needed to address them. As the industry continues to evolve, it's clear that companies like Thyssenkrupp will need to adapt to survive. Join the conversation and share your thoughts. Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Q's Fleet News, the place where you get your fleet news in 7 minutes. I'm Leslie Walker. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.